These silicone cupcake or muffin cups are so versatile and so incredibly durable. I have had these for a decade, and I know that they'll keep lasting me as long as I want them to, unless I lose one, which I have lost a couple, I will admit. They're well built to make excellent cupcakes, and they just hold their shape, and this is how I use them every day. I use them to divide out different types of food in my kids' lunches, usually things like carrots or trail mix. Anything my kids are eating, I will separate it out like that. But of course, they have their primary use, which is in a muffin tin. This is a very old muffin tin that I would not trust using without the silicone cups because the muffin tin has been scratched, but the silicone cups take care of that for me. The other great thing about these cups is they hold on their own. So if I just want to put a bunch of them onto a sheet pan and cook directly on the sheet pan, that works too. I don't need an extra thing to use these. I can use them for everything. Now I throw these in my dishwasher every single school day. They hold up so well. You will be thrilled with these, and there are unlimited uses for them in the kitchen and out.